So I've not been active on Leetcode at all recently. The last time I started again, I felt that okay, now I'll be active, now I'll be active. But then 2 days I picked a problem and I was not able to solve it, and I got highly demotivated. So uh, I think that's not a good space to be. I really want something very simple to pick so that I can just come in the flow because I'm thinking of like solving a lot of problems in this coming 5 days. I'm going to get in the rhythm, like good rhythm. So let's see. I will take something which is simple. I had studied a bit of lead code, so sorry, linked list. So okay, everything comes like lead code, lead code. Let me see a simple problem from lead code. I was solving one which I was not able to, so I got like my confidence got crushed. Where is linked list? Yes, here somewhere where it is. Yes. Okay. So I only solved like one problem here. Yeah, this is a problem. It's simple, I know, but I don't know why I'm not able to solve that. So remove endless cycle goes only okay, only these many easy. Okay, okay. Remove duplicates from sorted list. Duplicates. Okay. Basically I have to remove, right? So let me see this one. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Arey yaar, what happened? I'm so sorry. I was going to start the timer. Yeah. Remove duplicates from sorted list. Given the head of a sorted linked list, okay, this one. Delete all duplicates such that each element appears only once. Return the linked list sorted as well. Okay, got it. The number of nodes in the list is in the range 0 to 300. Ta-da. Guaranteed to be sorted in ascending order. Okay. Okay, let's do this. So, what is the idea? I'm sorry for this. The idea is that basically we will store the value in a variable of the current node we are processing. And then when we are processing the next node, we will check if the last value is same to the current value. Okay. If it is, then we will remove that node, and if it is not, then basically we will update the value to the current value. That is the whole point. So suppose here we are 1, so I'll take the value as 1, and when I move to this 1 I'll just check that okay, if the last value is equal to the current value. If the last value is equal to the current value, we'll just remove this node. Else, suppose when we are here, then if I check the last value is still 1, right? And it's not same. So what I will do is now I will update the current value to like last value to 2. Okay. So that is how we'll proceed. Okay. So let's first declare int Okay, if I declare it as int, I'll have to maybe it will just add to one. So first I'll obviously initialize with this one, you know, uh, the var. Okay, while in this node I will just have current pick this node. Okay, is equal to head. So while node is not equal to null, just traverse. Mhm. What I will do is, while node is not equal to null, so I have already checked the value of this one. If first thing is if head is not equal to, let's process this whole thing here. Control X. Format. Yeah. Okay. So also if head is not equal to null, basically we have some value there. Then I'll take the last value. Okay. And then head dot next. I'm pointing to this one. Okay. If it is not null, hmm, then what I will do is if if uh, node dot val is equal to last value, okay, then I have to basically remove the node. Okay. Else what I have to do is I will update the last value as last value is equal to node dot val and node is equal to node dot next, right? Hmm. So this is the whole point. Now is equal to last value. Remove the node. So what I will do when I will remove the node is Let's hold the previous node and current node. We need that, right? So this will be previous node. This is the current node, right? Previous node will point to this, current node will point to this. Now what I will do is, what I have to do is this will point to this one. Okay. And let's have a diagram where it is x carry draw, whatever it is, what it is. Yes. So what I'm trying to do here is, okay, this one, um, this, then we have this, and then I have this, right? So what I have to do is, I have to point to this one, remove this, right? So when I update this, this will anyways get removed, right? So I can first update to this one, yes, because this next I need, right? So what I will do is previous node dot next is equal to current node dot next. So this arrow is updated now to this one. Okay, now what I have to do, only have to remove this one. Okay, so current node dot next will be null. Okay, that is why we first needed to use the value, because we're going to update this now. So equal to null. So basically now this is not connected to this is not connected to this is isolated. Okay, so it is removed. Okay, yeah. Uh, and mhm. Also have to move here. So I think we will need 3 pointers. Right? Because when I'm removing this, suppose, then I'll lose this. But I want to move it here first. So if I use current node for that, I can't use it for removing. Right? Okay. Suppose I want to move to 2, right? So, no, I can't do that. Hmm. But we can do one thing. We can update this to current node is equal to not current node dot next, but previous node dot next. Right. Because we have this. Yeah. You get that right? So what we did was previous node dot next is equal to current node dot next. Then we did current node dot next is equal to null. So that this is basically oh, now it is pointing to this. Now current node will point to previous node dot next. So what was the previous node dot next? This one. So this will be the current node. Awesome. Okay. And if suppose what we are doing is else, uh, else last value is equal to current node dot value. That we are done, right? If we are here, then we'll just update the value and then yeah, okay. Looks good, right? Yeah, and we're not updating the head. Yeah, so we just need to return the head. It is still pointing there only, na? Right, right. Let's see. Yeah. No problem. Case 1 we were able to do 112. Case 2. Um, what was that? How this happened? It is not equal to null. Int last value is equal to head dot value. So it will be 1. Previous node is equal to head. Yes. Then current node is equal to head dot next. So this one. Right. While current node is not equal to null, if current node dot value 1 is equal to last value, then previous node dot next is equal to current node dot next. Current node dot next is equal to null. And current node is equal to previous node dot next. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Then while current is not null, if current node value value is 2 is equal to last value. Last value was 1. So it's not equal. Else last value is equal to current node dot value. It will be 2. And current node will be current node dot next. So 3. Yeah. Yeah, so it should have come 1 to 3. Why did it only come? Like logic wise, looks fine to me. We were not updating it for a reason, right? Because we want to keep the head where it is, right? Links are not lost. Are we losing the links here? Okay, how do I debug this? Let me come in IntelliJ. Compare. I will just create a folder in package in list. Our class, what is that? Remove duplicates from sorted list. And they don't let copy also. Delete duplicates again. Remove duplicates from sorted list. Mm, Let me copy my method. Yeah. And I also have to copy whatever they've written here. I'm gonna put this side files. I don't know. I mean, the shortcuts of it, but what I know is I can just manually do this. Okay. So now 1 1 2 3 3 1. Yeah. It's not a list. It shows it like that, but it's not a list. Yeah. So first we'll have to create this. So let's do this. List node. Um, New list node one new Just let me just do this first. Okay, let me ask ChatGPT to do this. Yes, ChatGPT do this plus very next. Who will do that? Make main not static. Okay, so we did that. And 1, 2, 3, 3. Mm, and one copy one more utility to print the list. That is messing up something. Let me see. Okay, this is a very simple utility. So basically, node is not equal to null while print the value first. Print it is not ln. It's not equal to null. Have an arrow. Node is equal to node dot text. Yeah. So beautiful. Now, what I'm messing up. Basically, this can be done by hand, right? Mm, Control Z. Control Z. I got the mistake. I didn't update the previous node, I think. Yes. Mm, let me go back. Let me go back. So here what is happening is, let suppose I'm having this previous node. Let me put this in pen and paper and place it. Okay, so I have one, one, two, three, six. What irritating. Update this for better structure. I mean, it doesn't make sense if I'm declaring previous node. They should be previous node, but yeah, anyways. Now I get it. Why the issue? Previous node was not updated. Mm, everything needs to be updated. Agreed. I'm not analyze this right now. I'm just writing just what I thought. Okay. Yeah. So This we don't need to use at all. This, right? This we don't need to use at all. We just need to update the previous and current. Yeah, I'm commenting here also. This was the bad logic actually. We were not updating the previous. So I think now it should work. Yeah. Let me just run and I'll remove. Let me first. Okay, I can run here also. Doesn't matter. Yes. Awesome. Haha. I got frustrated at my husband also. I'll go hug him if this gets submitted, obviously. If not, I'm still irritated. I'm joking. I'll anyways say sorry. Sorry. Okay, let me just submit. Yes. Oh my god. I was waiting so much to see this. Yay, I'm successful. Bye bye.